for jump starting. The battery delivers high peak amps, extended cranking power, numerous jumps per charge, and a long service life. All the components in the power path are designed to support the goal of getting the jump starter's power to the disabled vehicle. This includes the heavy-duty 4-gauge cable leads and ergonomic industrial-grade clamps that penetrate corrosion on the vehicle's battery posts. The unit also features a master on-off switch, which disables the unit during storage and transport. A 12-volt output allows the charging of accessories, and the 2.4 amp USB outlet charges small electronic devices such as phones and tablets. A rubber boot provides increased stability and protects the finish of the vehicle being serviced. The unit also adds the convenience of an onboard 120 psi air compressor, equipped with a 24-inch braided air hose and air gauge, so you'll never be stranded with a flat tire again, or have to desperately find a gas station and wait for air. The unit also features a LED task light, which can be used as a roadside warning with its emergency flashing capability.
This is the B7 Jump Starter, the latest QDSP Quick Discharge Start Power technology. It's able to withstand various environments and challenging temperatures, 3 times stronger and reliable than any product with the same specifications. This is a must-have for women and men who don't want to carry jumper cables and flag someone down to help. With a peak of 1200 amps, it's able to jumpstart flat batteries up to 30 times in a single charge. Work with all 12-volt battery cars, trucks, motorcycles, snowmobiles, ATV, UTV, lawnmowers, yachts, and heavy duty. Clear instructional guideline LCD display indicated advanced safety technology features including a reverse polarity protection, short circuit protection, and over discharge protection. It also has dual smart USB charging ports. This model can be used to charge smartphones, tablets, and other devices at a speed of 2.1 amps, 10 watts. That is 2 times faster than the most common power banks. The built-in LCD screen clearly shows battery status and output voltage. Also included is an LED flashlight with 3 modes: the light, SOS, and strobe. This provides a great convenience for use at night. Only weighing at 1 pound, it's easy to hold with one hand, store in your glove box, and pack in your bag for traveling and working remote.
Visit Beat It on Facebook for exclusive access to our latest updates, free products, and prizes. Still on the fence? You can also find tons of reviews for our products to see what real Beat It users just like you think about us. Feel free to get in touch with any questions you have. To find us, just search Beat It in the search bar.
Your box, you're going to get your Gulu G2000. You're going to get your smart cables, and the way they fit is you just have a tiny little flap on the side, you open it up, and the port will only go in one way. So you plug that in, you turn the device on, and you're ready to go. Now on the battery, you've got 2 little covers. One's going to be covering your positive port, and one's going to be covering your negative. So we're going to put red to red, positive to positive, black to black, negative to negative. Now that I've done that, on the side of the smart cables, you have 2 little lights, one that says reverse and one that says correct. If you've got your cables on the correct way round, you should have a nice little green light on showing you that you're ready to go, you're ready to jump start the car. If, for instance, you happen to put your cables on the wrong way round, you're going to get a horrible little buzzer and a red light on the reverse cable sign, meaning that you need to change your cables back over and you put them on the system wrong. So once you've connected your battery cables up correctly, you're ready to go. You can see the device is on, it knows the battery's there. Now you can just jump inside your car, turn the ignition key, and off you go. If potentially you've got a completely flat battery and you need just that little bit more power, there is a little button on the side of your smart cable saying boost. If you press that in, it will dump in a little bit more power into the battery for you, just to build the system up a little bit more. Sometimes when you break down, it might be raining outside, but with this little product, you know fair well that you can do it safely and easily from the inside of your car. Now all you have to do is unwind the cable, find the port on the device, it will say output 15 volts, 10 amps, plug that in, and then quite simply, just plug it into your cigarette lighter. Now, sometimes in a lot of vehicles, you have to have your ignition turned on to make the circuit live. In other cars, it'll come straight on. So if nothing happens, just turn your ignition on, press the button, it'll light up, and off you go. I've been Kareem, good luck, and I hope you like the product.
Battery Tender by Deltran has over 50 years of experience in chargers and battery-related products. Our new line of Battery Tender jump starters provide the same level of high quality and attention to detail. You can have peace of mind knowing that no matter where you are, you can quickly, safely, and easily start your car. These new jump starters are powered by lithium batteries, so you don't have to worry about constantly having to charge it, unlike other things. But hey, we get it. Those things need to be charged too. That's why the jump starter also functions as a portable power bank for all mobile devices. With front-facing real-time battery power, you know what's left and when to plug in again, so you can use it when you need it, when you want it, and when it's most important. Don't be left stranded. Start with trust. Start with Battery Tender.
2 jump leads, a black negative lead and a red positive lead, another car with a charged battery, and gloves and goggles for extra safety. For safety reasons, double check. The battery isn't damaged or leaking. If it is, don't try a jump start, get a professional's help. There's no metal items or clothing near the battery. There's no naked flames, including cigarettes nearby, and make sure the key is out of the ignition. Park the car with a charged battery opposite the car that has the flat battery so the bonnets are facing one another. Pop the handbrake on. Next, open both bonnets and check the jump leads reach between the cars. Finding the positive terminal on the working car, it should look like this. Connect the red positive jump lead to the positive terminal on the working car, checking that the teeth grip the terminals properly. Then, connect the other end of the red jump lead to the positive terminal on the car with the flat battery. Next, attach the black jump lead to the working car's negative terminal. Head to the car with a flat battery, but don't attach the other end of the lead to the negative terminal. You'll need to find a piece of solid metal far away from the fuel system and battery to attach the black lead to. In some cars, this is a specific earthing rod. Check your handbook to find out if your car has one. Now both jump leads are connected, wait 5 minutes. Now start the charged car's engine and let it run for 1 minute. Leave this engine running and try to start your car. If it doesn't start within 5 seconds, give it 2 more minutes and try again. Once your car has started, leave both cars running for 10 minutes. After this, remove the leads in reverse order, making sure they don't touch one another or any metal in the process. Black lead attached to the flat car off, black lead attached to the working car off, and then red lead attached to the working car off. Finally, leave the previously uncharged car running for 20 minutes or take it for a 30-minute spin before parking it for the day. Don't forget, Halfords has a professional battery fitting service for a small fee. You can also view the full range of Halfords batteries online or in store.